Hey guys, RJ here from Gadget Extreme. Today guys, testingin naman natin itong Vivo S1 sa may NBA 2K20 saka sa GTA San Andreas. Testingin natin siya sa high settings. At i-high settings natin lahat guys at simulan na po natin. Simulan natin guys sa GTA San Andreas. I-high settings natin siya lahat. Yan. Advance. First impression ko dito guys, sa may Vivo S1. Ang ganda ng display niya guys. Dahil AMOLED siya. Matingkad yung kulay niya. Maganda siya pang movies. Dahil mas detalyado yung mga ano niya, picture. Ito na po yung GTA San Andreas. Ngayon ko pala siya testingin dito. Tingnan natin kung smooth. Wow, first impression guys dito sa may gaming niya dito sa may San Andreas guys, ang smooth niya. Hindi ako nakakaramdam ng lag. Parang naglalag siya guys. Ngayon, ayun, bumabalik siya dati. Parang bumabagsak yung frame rate niya. Tingnan natin kung bakit. Wala namang ibang nakabukas.
Grove Street, home. At least it was before I fucked everything up. You want to drive? Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke. You know me. It's not cut. Keep the value in it. Keep it real.
Vivo S1 to guys. Baka sakaling nagdadalawang isip kayo. Ito po siya.
Ballers! Drive by! Incoming! Oh, motherfucker, my car!
Medyo bumabagsak yung frame rate niya guys. Napapansin ko dito medyo nagde-delay siya.
Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead. Hey, move.
Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah. Things has changed around here. CJ, watch your back right here, man. Hey, man, the movie. How'd it get so bad? I thought this was family's turf. Yeah, shit, a baller's car's onto us. Split up. father coming back. Straight back into the game, right, dog? Wasn't this bad before you left? East Coast got you all thinned out, home.
Heads up, sugar.
I don't fight anybody anytime. Run down.
Medyo naglalag siya guys. I mean, bumabagsak yung frame rate niya. Hindi ko lang sure kung bakit.
Move it, CJ. You're embarrassing us, nigga. I got with them motherfuckers, though. Showed them niggas who's gangster. Rider, nigga. So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Medyo may counting lag siya guys dito. Pero minsan smooth naman siya. Minsan naglalag siya. Siguro wag na lang natin isagad yung max settings niya.
You want some?
Medyo ibaba natin yung iba. Testingin naman natin siya sa may NBA 2K20.
Just drop in. We all...
Tingnan natin kung smooth siya. Wala.
Sports fans, thanks for joining. And now a quick check of our starting lineups for both teams. Moving the Raptors off the tip. Lowry with the ball. Here's Powell. The Warriors pull it in. Down low. Russell inside. And out of bounds as the Raptors gain possession.
Man, I don't know what happened right there. He just basically walked out of bounds.
Here's Lowry.
Smooth naman siya guys. Dito sa may NBA.
Pass to Gasol. He finds that one off the back iron, and down it falls. Here's Curry. Hustle with it. Back to Curry. Outside, Green. Now here's Curry. On deep. Toronto on defense. Back to Green. Pass to Russell. And it's out of bounds. The Raptors will take it the other way.
Just got a little careless on that pass. They should be able to connect on those.
Now Lowry. They set the pick. Loses his man off the screen and lays it up and in.
Give him assist there, not for the pass, but for the solid screen set on the inside that freed him up and made the layup possible.
Outside Curry. Pass to Thompson. Fires it up. And it comes off the front of the rim.
The defense better not make a habit of giving him that shot. I mean, he doesn't miss many of them.
Van Vliet. Into Marc Gasol. And blocked. And that's out of bounds. Toronto will retain possession. Van Vliet. A feather touch on the finger roll. Beautiful.
Well, they've done a great job of getting into the middle of that defense and scoring in the paint.
Shot to stop the run. Now here's Curry. They get it back.
A wide open three. They need much better communication defensively.
Here's Powell. And just under 2.5 minutes elapsed here in the first. Gasol backing down. Shoots from 8. The shot is off. They could use a big shot here to get this offense going.
You're good, Kim. I mean, too many empty trips. They need some points. That's just run-of-the-mill for him. A typical day at the office. He's one of the more skilled offensive players out there.
Here's Powell. They set the pick. And looks like the illegal kick was set. Yep, that's right. That'll get their attention. Different look here for the Warriors.
Minsan nagiging tuloy siya guys habang naglalaro.
Pass to Robinson. Now,
Pero bumabalik naman agad sa pagiging smooth.
the three. And it's Stephen Curry with a three. It's a tie ball game.
I like the offense.
Siguro mas okay din guys na hindi na lang natin i-high lahat ng settings niya.
Now here. No good, unable to end this run. And we're approaching about 3.5 minutes played in the first quarter. And that misses. That would have put him up. And Toronto has possession. Pass to Ibaka. And here's Lowry. The shot by Lowry, no good. And they're on the break. And here we go. Now here's Curry. So he gets the whistle. Contact on the way up and 2 shots coming up. First trip to the free throw line for him in this one. He misses the free throw. He's off on the second.
Then yun lang guys yung aking quick test dito sa may GTA San Andreas saka sa NBA 2K20 dito sa may Vivo S1. Siguro guys mas okay na wag na lang natin i-high settings lahat nung sa ano niya, sa may settings niya. Dahil may konting delay siya o konting lag. Hindi siya smooth ng dire-diretso. Although nagiging smooth siya guys ng matagal pero naglalag siya ng konti pagka katagalan. Then yun lang guys. Thank you for watching.